Hey guys, I'll be showing you 3 slimes and you vote down 3 slimes, but they're all great. I looked at them, I thought they were good, except the purple one. I don't want to show you what they look like right now, but one's huge, one's small and jiggly and stuff, and one's really stretchy. Okay, so comment down below which one do you think is better. Okay, first we have this slime. No, not this slime. We're gonna go for the small one. It's kind of jiggly. You can't weld it. You gotta shake it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You see how watery it is. People say it's water slime. It's hard to. It smells normal. I kind of already opened these. It's really stretchy, not that, but like I can't really stretch it. It's just fun to drop and stuff. Look how splat. Comment down below if you like this slime. It's if you can't really tell, it's yellow. It's yellow. It looks just really glancy. By the way, my name is not Felicia Petrie. I just don't want people to know my real name. But yeah, look at this cool one. It has like jiggly stuff, and it goes really nicely to get it in. But like, yeah. Oh wait, we didn't check one more thing. Does it pop? No. And when you smack it, it sounds like you smack water. If you haven't smacked water, comment down below that that's what it sounds like. And this slime can fart. We have to kind of shove it in there. There we go. Alright, we have this slime now. Color change from compound. All of these are pretty much from it, but except one of them. This is from King too. Oh, and I got this squishy softener from Compound Kings, and I was gonna make a squishy. It's not done yet, but I just made it today. Comment down below, because I don't know if I've done it right. So, wait, no, it's not bark. Look how pretty it is. It is dark purple. I don't know if it changed its color. It's just super stretchy. Let me try. Yes, it is super stretchy. Let me see if I can make a bubble, because this slime you can't make bubbles with it, but this is a jiggly slime. Tell me if it's water slime or jiggly slime. Oh my gosh, no. Let's try one more time. But it is super stretchy. Wait, let's see what scent it is. Oh, it has this red thing. You guys should have told me there's a red thing. I wonder what it smells like pepper. Yeah, that definitely smells like pepper. Over that slime, comment down below if you like this color too. It says it goes to purple to white. So I don't know if that's actually true. I don't know. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna smell this. It smells like pepper too. Okay. Now we have the big slime. It says it smells like cotton candy. See, cotton candy. And scented permeate slime. It looks really big. I already opened this, but I did not touch it. So it looks like it has. It looks more. It looks less. Whoa. This is huge. Wait. It does smell like cotton candy, just a little bit, not a lot. Wait, let me smell that again. It does smell like cotton candy. Super stretchy. Doesn't say super stretchy, but it is super stretchy. We have to make a bubble with this. We literally have to. I did make a bubble, but then I popped it. Oh. Okay. It is kind of sticky. Wait, this pop. This is actually real slime. The rest wasn't really real slime. Only all slimes pop. This is real slime. This is so amazing. But guys, I'm gonna add music after. Like, I'm gonna like make this better.
Golly, look at all that slime.
My birthday. Mommy taking a shower. You should go surprise her that you're here. Because she don't know you're here.
I know, she knows I'm here. I called her. She got the shower.
I can make a blue bubble. Oh, it didn't work.
All right,
Oh, yeah.
Just by guessing, how much money do you think is right here?
About $100.
Are you sure?
Not
how much?
I think $600.
Okay. Now how much?
1,000.
More.
Oh my gosh. 2,000.
You're close.
3,000.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, but I got all this slime for my birthday. There's this unicorn slime thing. I already opened it, and that slime, it was just liquid slime. I hated it. If you want this, it's for sale for, if you comment down below, you will get this slime. Even though they already touched it. This is cotton candy flavor. I'm pretty sure a little kid want this. I know. Hope you guys like this video. Comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that like. Smash that subscribe and thumbs up and turn your you know what? We're gonna keep this video. Keep going, you know. We're gonna watch some videos about spoiled brats that do pageants and stuff. But if you Alright, if you want to play with me on PUBG, I'm Kitty3011. And if you play Roblox, sorry guys, but I don't play Fortnite because Fortnite sucks.
Oh man, that's so much I gotta do right now.
And
I'm about to leave for 8 days.
I'm trying to make a video here. Get.
10 minutes and 23 seconds of slime play.
Mhm.
That's a lot of minutes. Why don't you mix this with